You step on the gas to pull away from a stoplight, and instead of a smooth acceleration, your engine bogs down, feels incredibly sluggish, and you can practically smell raw fuel dumping out of the tailpipe. If you scan your computer and pull a P2180 code, your engine is running dangerously rich off idle on bank 2. Whether you are wrenching on a classic European hatchback like a Peugeot 205 in a cramped garage, a modern Renault van, or a sleek Asian sports car, the basic mechanics of this problem are exactly the same. Your engine computer relies heavily on the mass airflow sensor and the oxygen sensors to dial in the perfect air and fuel mixture. When it throws a P2180, it means it is detecting way too much fuel and not nearly enough air on the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1. Running rich like this will absolutely destroy your catalytic converters and coat your spark plugs in thick black soot, causing terrible misfires and awful fuel economy. Before you even think about tearing the engine apart, check for other codes, especially anything related to the fuel system or mass airflow sensor, because they will often trigger this rich condition as a secondary symptom. The absolute most common culprit here is a dirty or failing mass airflow sensor misreporting the amount of air entering the engine. Pull the sensor out and give the internal wire elements a really good look. If they are coated in dirt or oil residue, grab a light plastic bristle brush and some 91% rubbing alcohol to carefully clean the terminals, let them air dry completely, and apply a tiny bit of dielectric silicone compound to the connector. If cleaning does not solve it, you need to hook up a multimeter or scan tool and watch the sensor voltage increase smoothly as you rev the engine. If the airflow sensor is working flawlessly, your problem is likely a mechanically stuck fuel injector dumping raw gas into the cylinder, a faulty fuel pressure regulator, or a failing oxygen sensor that is tricking the computer into adding more fuel. Take your time, test the sensors systematically, and you will get that air and fuel ratio back into perfect balance.